Well, that's right, Liesl. You know, today is National Bandana Day. It's the 12th of October. And of course, we are wearing our bandanas here on the set of Expresso on SABC3. I certainly hope that you're going to show your support as well. Now, the Sunflower Fund bandanas are worn to show support for those who are going through leukemia and for those who also lose their hair while undergoing chemotherapy. Now, this morning, I'm joined by survivor Vanya, also her mom Sylvia, and also Alistair McCulloch, who is a donor, as well as Dr. Shahrukh Navar, I've been told, and he, of course, is a clinical hematologist as well. And thank you so much. Good morning, and thank you so much for joining us this morning. Now, I'm going to be chatting to you right now. Vanya, can you tell us a little bit more about how old were you when you first discovered you had leukemia, and what happened from there?
I was 5 when I had leukemia.
5 when you had leukemia?
Yes.
Okay. And then, Mom Sylvia, can you tell us what happened from there? You can take the mic over here.
Ag ja, weet jy, Vanya was gediagnoseer toe sy 7 was. Dit was nie 5 nie.
Ja.
En dit was 'n storie en 'n half.
Ja.
Vandaar was ons gesê om te gaan na Tygerberg Hospitaal. En ons het 'n naweek in Tygerberg gespandeer. En toe was ons die maandag oorgeplaas. Ons het gevra vir 'n privaat dokter wat spesialiseer in oncology.
Ja.
En glo my, daar's net een gewees en dit is dokter Prof Stefan, sy's nou 'n prof.
Ja.
En ons is na Panorama geskuif en Vanya was in goeie hande geplaas. Sy was fantasties, maar dit was 'n erge ondervinding.
Nou sê vir my, wat was die swaarste tyd? I know, of course, the whole time must have been quite hard for you. Maar wat was die swaarste tyd wat jy kan onthou?
Die swaarste tyd was toe ek griep gehad het verlede jaar. En Vanya, ek kon Vanya nie sien vir 2 weke amper nie. En haar pa het by haar in die hospitaal dag en nag gesit vir die 2 weke.
Ja.
Ag, en die swaarste tyd was toe sy al die lambepanses gekry het. En ek onthou die een pediater het gesukkel met die lambepans om die naald in te sit. En ek het so ontsteld geraak, ek en my man, want sy het 3 keer gesukkel om die naald in die rugmurg te kry en uit te trek. En ons sê vir haar, weet jy wat, jy dink jy moet 'n bietjie eers wag. En jy weet, Vanya is so braaf. Sy's 'n regtig remarkable dogtertjie.
Fantasties. Sê vir my, jou familie en jou vriende, I mean, going through this time must be quite tough, but it must be even harder on your friends and your family. Can you tell us a bit more about how it affected all of them? Hoe het hulle geaffekteer?
Ja, dit het hulle baie geaffekteer, weet jy, selfs familie. Hulle was daar, het ons ondersteun, en vriende, maar mense weet nie om dit te hanteer nie.
Ja.
As hulle die woord kanker hoor, dan dink hulle dis dood. So, omdat hulle oningelukkig was, soos ons ook maar was, jy weet jy, verwag jy die ergste en hulle was 'n bietjie bang gewees om gevoelens en uiting te gee aan die situasie.
Ja.
En die tye wanneer Vanya nie kontak met mense kon gehad het nie vir kieme en so, wat die plaatjies maar laag was, was dit moeilik, van mense kon nie verstaan hoekom kon hulle nie kom kuier of so nie. Ja, maar ons het goeie vriende wat nog steeds daar is by ons.
Oh, baie bly om dit te hoor. And then, of course, Dr. Shahrukh Navar, good morning, welcome. Can you tell us a bit more about leukemia? What exactly is it, and how does one go about treating leukemia?
Well, leukemia is a bone marrow cancer by which you have got fast proliferation of immature white cells backing up the bone marrow. And taking over the normal function, which is supplying of blood cells, like white blood cells fighting against infections, platelets for your bleeding, to stop bleeding, and then obviously your red cells to provide energy and oxygen to your body. So once your bone marrow packs up with the cancer, you become anemic, you get bleeding, and you get infections. The treatment, because it's a very fast-growing cancer, is with usually with chemotherapy, and it does respond quite well, especially with ALL in children. I mean, we get easily remission above 90%, and children are often long-term survivors. For adults, ALL is a bit more problematic. And in adults, it's more the acute myeloid leukemia, more frequent. That we also treat with chemotherapy.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you, Doctor. I think, Vanya, I want to find out from you. How do you feel right now? You have survived the cancer, and you've had your mom by you and your dad by you all this time. How do you feel?
Happy.
You're happy? I love that smile on her face. Absolutely beautiful. Well, we're going to be chatting to you a little bit later on. So stay with us right here. And of course, Vanya, you are absolutely amazing. Thank you for joining us this morning. Hey, now we have got lots more still coming up on the show. The Sunflower Fund bandana fashion is, of course, the newest and definitely the most fabulous at the moment. And of course, Liesel is going to be showing us a little bit more about this. Over to you, Liesel.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.